Hey Abhijit, congratulations on getting to the half century of your life. I'm sorry, congratulations on the 50th year birthday of your journey. I'm so excited and so grateful that God blessed me with a brother like you. And although you are a little bit notorious and a little funny, but I love you, man. I love you as a brother. Enjoyed the trip to Kumbh with you and had a great time. And before that, also, if you look at the past years, I've always been enjoying your company. I've always been guided by you as a elder brother, and most importantly, I've been inspired by you. Latest to take care of my health and to keep my weight under whatever is necessary, and main thing is to eat right. So I'm being learning from you a lot, and most importantly, uh, thank you so much for being here in our life. I mean, I should not thank you, I should thank God, but still, love you. And one more addition to your life is Amruta Bhabi, whom we love, in fact, far more than what we love you, but still, you guys are a great couple. And really, really glad to have you in our family. And I also remember a lot of notorious things which I used to do during childhood when I used to come to Bhaubis or Raksha Bandhan in Parle, Vile Parle. And I remember one time when I had torn your notebook. I think it was maths notebook and all, and I was just making rockets out of those pages and throwing out of that window while seeing the aeroplane fly. And in the end, you were crying and complaining to Mangalatya about me doing that. So I remember that very distinctly. And have a great 50th birthday. God bless you. God bless Amruta Bhabi. And keep going, buddy. We all love you. And so glad to have you in our family. So glad to have you in our life. Whenever I talk to you, it is one thing is great that I'm talking to you and I'm getting some more insights, because every time I say something odd, you factually correct me or you give me a science funda or thing behind that. It is hurting as well as delighting at the same time. Hurting because I feel a little dumb in front of you, but enlightening because I get to learn a lot from you. So it has been awesome being your brother, and it has been awesome for you to have me as to be our elder brother. And God bless, take care, and have a great 50th birthday. Love from me. Bye bye.